Welcome back to my channel, Technology in the Future. Today, we're diving into something that's shaking up the drone world in 2025. The highly anticipated DJI Neo 2. DJI has once again managed to surprise the community, turning what was originally seen as a fun and budget-friendly entry-level drone into a feature-packed creative machine. With leaks, FCC hints, and prototype sightings building up the hype, the Neo 2 is no longer just a rumor. It's here to redefine what a pocket-sized drone can do. Power and battery life, longer skies, fewer worries. One of the most noticeable improvements comes in the form of battery endurance. The Neo 2 now carries an 11.6 Wh dual cell pack, an upgrade from the original Neo's 10.4 Wh unit. On paper, this may sound like a modest bump, but for drone pilots, it means extra minutes in the air that often make the difference between missing and capturing that perfect golden hour shot. DJI hasn't officially published exact flight times yet, but based on the capacity increase, insiders suggest the Neo 2 could finally push past the 20-minute mark under calm flying conditions. That's more than enough to pull off sweeping landscape reveals, cinematic tracking shots, or even several quick vlogging takes all without the anxiety of constant battery swaps. Smarter vision systems. Flying with confidence, DJI also looks to be taking safety and intelligence more seriously in this update. Reports point to an enhanced vision positioning system that improves obstacle detection accuracy and responsiveness. The first Neo felt more like a selfie drone with limited awareness, but the Neo 2 seems closer to a compact commander, smart enough to weave through tighter spaces and avoid accidental collisions with trees, lampposts, or buildings. For beginner pilots, this is a major win. Confidence is everything when learning to fly, and DJI's updated safety systems mean fewer risks of losing your drone to avoidable crashes. Camera and imaging. Wow. The creator's mini powerhouse now. Let's talk about what most buyers really care about: the camera. While DJI has kept official details under wraps, leaks hint at a 1.3-inch CMOS sensor with dual ISO support, which could be a huge step forward for low-light performance and dynamic range. Imagine capturing sunrise cityscapes with vibrant detail, or shooting under neon night skies without the frustrating noise that plagues smaller sensors. Specs also suggest support for 4K at 60 FPS, 10-bit D-Log color profiles, and possibly even a high-assisted subject tracking that locks onto a moving target with precision. If these features make it to the final release, the Neo 2 won't just be a casual travel drone, it'll be a pocket-sized filmmaking tool, capable of producing content good enough for YouTube creators, vloggers, and even professional backup shots. Portability meets professionalism. Designed for creators, what really makes the Neo to stand out is its balance of portability and performance. You can literally slip it into a backpack, yet it promises pro-level results that rival much larger drones. This is exactly the kind of innovation today's content creators crave: gear that doesn't weigh you down, but still delivers cinematic quality when inspiration strikes. Travel bloggers, social media influencers, and hobbyists alike will see this as a dream gadget. No more carrying bulky drones or worrying about complicated setups. The Neo 2 is a true grab-and-go storytelling. Tooled price and value advanced yet affordably. Another exciting aspect is pricing. The original Neo launched at just $289, making it one of the most affordable drones in DJI's lineup. Early rumors indicate that the Neo 2 will stay under $350, which is incredible given the potential upgrades in imaging, flight stability, and AI features. This shows DJI's clear strategy: make advanced drone technology available without forcing users to spend flagship-level money. For students, beginner pilots, and even professionals who want a compact backup, the Neo 2 hits the sweet spot between value and innovation. Release date and kits ready for autumn flights. DJI has officially confirmed that pre-orders begin in mid-August 2025, with shipping expected in early September. That's perfect timing for creators to capture the autumn season. Think colorful forests, misty mornings, and epic holiday travel footage. As usual, DJI will offer two packages: standard kit, drone, battery, controller, and essentials. Fly. More combo, additional batteries, charging hub, and extra props for extended sessions. For those serious about consistent filming, the Fly More combo is often the better long-term investment. A surprise twist: mini FPV headset rumors here. It's where things get really interesting. Industry insiders are buzzing about DJI possibly pairing the Neo to launch with a lightweight FPV headset, designed specifically for this drone. Unlike DJI's bulky professional goggles, this rumored headset would be compact and user-friendly, perfect for casual users who want an immersive flying experience without looking like they're wearing VR armor. If true, this could make the Neo 2 not just a camera drone, but also a gateway to FPV flying, giving users a first-person cinematic view while keeping things accessible. Why it matters. Redefining small drones, the DJI Neo 2 isn't just a minor update, it's a statement. It shows that you don't need to buy the biggest, heaviest, or most expensive drone to create stunning aerial footage. By blending smart design, upgraded intelligence, and a creator-friendly camera, DJI is positioning the Neo 2 as the ultimate everyday drone. Whether you're filming your pet running through the park, documenting your travels abroad, or simply enjoying the art of flying, the Neo 2 promises to expand your creative freedom without breaking the bank. Lightweight, capable, accessible. This could easily become the sleeper hit drone of 2025. So what do you think? Will the DJI Neo to be your next flying companion? Share your thoughts down in the comments. And if you're as excited as I am, make sure to like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you don't miss my upcoming hands-on review flight right here on Technology in the Future.